Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So, the previous video we had left the questions till question 8 of exercise 12.1, and in this video we'll be starting from question 9 of exercise 12.1. So, without any further delay, let's start. Question number 9 says there are 102 teachers in a school of itna students. So what we'll write? We'll write given and total number of teachers in a school is equal to 102. Then we'll write total number of students in a school is equal to 3300. Find the ratio of number of teachers is to number of students. Therefore, 102 is to be divided is to 3300. Only the test of divisibility is there. So what we'll do, we will take 102 and 3300. First of all, we'll divide by 2. Okay, so 102 divided by 2, that will be 51, and this divided by 2 will be 2 ones are 2, 1 3, that is 12, 6 times, 1 0, that is 5 times, and 0. Then 5 and 1 is divisible by 3, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, that is also divisible by 3. Therefore, 3 1 times will 3, 2 ones 7 times, so 7 3s are 21, and then it will be 3 5 times 15, 1 5 5 times 15, and then 0. Then we have 17 and 550. 17 is a prime number and it will not have any common factor with 550. Therefore, the answer is 17 is to 550. Okay. So in a college, now coming to the next question, in a college out of 4,320 students, 2,300 are girls. Find the ratio of, okay. So what we'll do, we'll start by writing given. In a college, we'll start by writing total number of students in a college is equal to 4,320. Then we will start total. This is the total. After that, total number of girls in a college is equal to 2,300. Then we'll start total number of boys in a college is equal to, we'll just minus that and we'll get the answer, that will be 0. 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2020 is the total number of boys in the college. So we need to find out number of girls to the number of total students, that is equal to the 2,300 is to 4,320, and 0 0 will get cancelled out. It will be divisible by not 4, it will be divisible by 2. So we'll start by 1 and 1, 105, then 2, 1, 1 2 6. Then we'll start by 5 plus 2 7 and 6 plus 3 9. So this is not divisible by 3, not divisible by 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 से होगा क्या? 7 ones are 7, and this will be 3 plus 1 4 5. No, not 7, 8 नहीं, 9, 9 9 9 भी नहीं, 10 भी नहीं, 11 12 13. So I think that this is the end, and the answer will be 115 is to 216. And in case in case a simplest form can be obtained, do comment in the comment section, and we'll look into it in the future lectures. What else can we do? Working on your day-to-day life and then making lectures is somewhat quite tedious. So calculation is the most least favorite part of uh, someone who is involved in other places also. Who is only teaching, then that is his work, but I am doing this as a hobby. So sometimes calculation might be a tedious task for me and I might get lost. So part B, number of boys to the number of girls. Human nature. Boys to number of girls. So what we'll do, B is to G. So B is 2020 and the girls is 2320. I think that is what it is there, 2320. Okay, no, 2300. 2300. So what we'll do, we'll start dividing it. Okay, we'll start dividing it. 0 will get cancelled out, and then this will be 101. Then this will be 1. 1, 5. Again, same problem. Okay. Try to find if there is any simplest version available for this, or you can just see the back of the book and you can find the answer. Okay. So concept of ratio and proportion should be clear. Calculation 101, 115. Why do we have a mobile and calculator for? Don't tell this to your teacher. Number of boys to number of students. So number of boys to number of students, you can do that on your own. Question number 11. Out of 1800 students in a school, okay, so what you will do, you will write by statement total number of students in a school is equal to 1800. Okay, this is total. After that, you will write total number of students opted for basketball. So you will write B is equal to 750. Then you will write total number of students opted for cricket. Then you will write 800. Then you will write total of number of students opted for tennis, and you will write remaining wala. So 1800 minus 750 and 800. So 800 is 1600 minus 50 is 1550. So 1800 minus 1550 will give you 0 and 10 minus 50, 7 में से 5 2, so 250. So 250 people opted for tennis. Number of students, part A asks who opted for basketball to the number of students who opted for tennis. So basketball is 750 is to tennis is 250, therefore the answer is 3 is to 1. Coming to part B, number of students who opted cricket is to number of students opting basketball. So cricket is 800 is to basketball is 750. So it will be divisible by 50 and that will give us uh, 8 800 है ना. So 1 times 50 and that will be 300 300 and that will be 6 times, and then we will have 50, so 1 times 50 and then we will have 250, that will be 5 times, so that will be 16 is to 15. Coming to the next question, if there is a part C, basketball to the number of students. So basketball is 750 to the total number of students is 1800. 0 will get cancelled out. It will be divisible by 5. So 5 how many times? 1 times 2, 5, 5 times, then 5, 3 times. 15, 30 is 6 times. Then we will have 3 से 5 बार, 3 से 1 2 बार, 5 और 12. That will be the answer. 5 is to 12. Coming to the next question. Cost of a dozen pen is 180 and the cost of 8 ball pens is 56. Though we will write given cost of, we will write cost of 12 pence is equal to rupees 180. Then we will write cost of 8 uh, ball pen is equal to rupees 56. Find the ratio of cost of pen to the cost of ball pen. ओके, जेल पेन के बारे में हम माइनस करके भी निकाल सकते हैं, बट इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. So what we'll do, we'll just have to find the cost of pen is to cost of ball pen. So first of all, what you have to do, we have to find out the cost of one single pen. That will be one pen is equal to 180 upon 12, and that will give us the answer of 12 ones are 12 and 8 minus 2 6 0, so that will be 5, so 15 rupees, and cost of one ball pen will give us the answer of 56 upon 8, so that will be 8 sevens are 56, so that will be rupees 7. So the ratio will be cost of pen 15 is to cost of ball pen, that is 7, and that will be the answer. Coming to question number 13. Consider the statements ratio of breadth and length of a hall is 2 is to 5. Okay, so we have a hall that has some length and that has some breadth, and that is the ratio of 2 is to 5. So we will write length is to breadth in the given. We will write this in the given. length is to breadth is equal to 2 is to, sorry, we have written opposite, so we'll write 5 is to 2. Okay, complete the following table that shows some possible breadth and length of the hall. So what we'll do is that we just have to uh, what do we have to do? We just have to use the, either you can solve it with the variable that is using an x, or you can solve it by using the concept of fractions. So if you say that if you try to change this in the following manner, that uh, if you convert this ratio as 1 is to 2 is to 5, then that means that the breadth is 2 upon 5 times to that of the length. That will mean that the breadth is equal to 2 upon 5 times to that of the length. And if you try to take the 2 on the left side, what will that mean? That will mean that 5 upon 2 is to 1 means that the length is 5 upon 2 times to that of the breadth, which means that we can write that length is equal to 5 upon 2 times to that of the breadth. Okay, so now the question is given breadth of hall in meters and hall is given. So we will not be requiring the use of this particular thing. We will directly solve for this, and that will give us, we have the length over here, L is equal to 50. So we'll just put 50 over here, and then we'll have the answer. So 2 upon 5 into 50, and this will give 10, so it will be 20, and this is the answer. 20 upon 50, this will be 20, sorry. So here also you can see that if we try to solve it from here, we have 10 upon 20 is equal to x upon 50. So we will have this as x is equal to 10 upon 20 will become 1 upon 2. So 50 upon 2, and that will be the answer as 20. Hmm. अरे यार, typing mistake. This is 10 upon 25, man. 10 upon 25. So 10 upon 25 will become 2 times, and this will become 5 times. So when you will take this over here, that will be sometimes. I should take a break now. I will record the remaining video tomorrow because I am exhausted. So x will be 50 into 2. Okay, upon 5. This will make it 10 and this will make it 20. So the answer will be 20. So you can either solve it by making the formula from the ratio, or you can use this particular equivalent fraction and find out the answer. So coming to question number 14, and after that I will make the remaining videos tomorrow. So after exercise is completed, divide 20 pence between Sheila and Sangeeta on the ratio of 3 is to 2. So what did I tell you, that when it is something mentioned like this, Sheila is to Sangeeta and this is 3 is to 2. Total is what? Total is 20. So we'll take an x over here on both sides. We'll multiply x on both sides, and that will give us 3x plus 2x is equal to the total, that is 20. So that will give us 5x is equal to 20. So x will be 20 upon 5, that is 4. So you just need to put the 4 in place of the x and you will get the answer, that 4 into 3 will become 12 and 2 into 4 will become 8. So 12 will be for Sheila and 8 will be for Sangeeta, or you can just reverse that because there is no particular order mentioned over here which is to be followed. Coming to the next question. Mother wants to divide rupees 36 between her daughters Shreya and Bhumika. Okay, so total is rupees 36 and that is to be divided between Shreya and Bhumika in the ratio of their ages. Okay, if the age of Shreya is 15 years and age of Bhumika is 12. Okay, So age of Shreya, we will write given age of Shreya is equal to 12 is 15 and age of Bhumika is 12 and age of Bhumika is 12. So we have to find out between the ratio. So S is to B will become 15 is to 12 and that will be 5 times. So that will be 5 is to 4 and this will be the ratio. And after that we'll just do what? We will add an x. So multiplying by x on both sides we will have 5x plus 4x is equal to rupees 36. This implies 9x is equal to 36. This implies x is equal to 36 upon 9, which will give us 4, and therefore we just have to put the value of 4. So 5 for the 20, so 20 will be given to Shreya, and 4 for the 16, and 16 rupees will be given to Bhumika. Coming to question number 16. Present age of father is 42 years and that of his son is 14 years. Find the ratio of, okay. So given is what? Present age. So present age of father is equal to 42 and present age of his son is equal to 14 years. Find the ratio of present age of father to the present age of son. So we have to find father is to son is equal to 42. Father is to son is equal to 42 is to 14. So is it divisible? 14 3 times, let us see, 3 fours are 12 and 1, yes. So this will be 3 is to 1. Age of father to age of son when son was 12 years old. So when son was 12 years old, then the father must be 2 years. कम कर दो उसमें तो वो हो जाएगा 40 years. तो अब इसमें क्या करना है, एज ऑफ फादर टू द एज ऑफ सन, तो उसमें हम लोग कर देंगे 40 is to 12 और इसका आंसर निकालेंगे तो क्या निकलेगा, 4 3s are 12 and 4 10s are, तो the ratio will be 10 is to 3. Coming to the next part, that is age of father after 10 years. So after 10 years he will become from 42 to 52 and the son will become 14 to 24 and the ratio will be F is to S, that is 52 is to 24, and you can see over here that um, 24 12 times, so 52 2 से करते हैं सबसे पहले, तो 2 times and 1 2 6 times, then 2 1 times and 2 times, after that 2 1 times 3 times, after that 2 6 times, so the answer will be 13 is to 6. So I hope that this completes. Okay, one more part is there. Age of father to the age of son when father was 30 years old. That means that 42 minus 30 is equal to 12. That is minus 12 will be done on both of them. So the son will become 42 minus 30. So son will become 14 minus 12 and that is 2 years. So 30 is to 2 हमें करना है. 30 is to 2 will become 15 is to 1 and that will be the answer. So this is just like division, multiplication, nothing else. You just need to understand the concept of ratio and make your certain divisibility or division skills good. So I hope that you are finding our way of teaching good. And if you want to support us, do hit the subscribe button and like our videos. And in case you have any suggestions for us, you can comment in the comment section or connect with us on any of our social media handles mentioned in the description, and we will definitely get back to you. So till the next time we meet, keep making notes, keep revising, and keep practicing. Goodbye.